What's up, Thomas from FT Speed. Today we're installing a new cabin air filter. Now cabin air filters, I'll be honest, not a super sexy upgrade or modification, or it's not really a modification, it's more maintenance. But it's like a face mask for your car, so you don't get inhaling dirt and mold and stuff that's going through your HVAC system. So it's pretty important. It's one that like totally slips our minds in terms of maintenance because we never see it because it's stacked behind the glove box. But Subaru recommends that you change this every 15,000 miles. However, HKS's new one, maybe it's because it's a nano cabin filter and it collects more dust and gets full faster, but they recommend that you change this every 6,400 miles or every year. So that's like half what Subaru recommends. It could also be because this is Japanese from HKS, and Japanese culture is just cleaner and they like to replace their stuff more frequently. So HKS just made this. This is brand new. We just got like the first one. It's supposed to remove pollen, against bacteria and mold and neutralize odor, and this is super easy to install. It's only going to take a few minutes. It's right behind the glove box. We're just going to pull the old one out, which is probably disgusting because we've never changed it, and throw this one back in and throw the glove box back in, and done. All right, now removing the glove box, super easy. You don't need any tools at all. You're gonna open up the glove box. There's gonna be two little pins on the side. You're gonna just press those walls in to release them. And there's this little damper that makes sure the glove box doesn't fall too fast. And then you're just gonna push that and that's gonna disconnect. Now this is what it looks like behind the glove box. And there's a little tab here on this side and a tab here on that side. Pull that out and there is your cabin air filter. And this thing is dirtier than heck. Yeah, so this filter is super dirty. There's a ton of dust. There's like little leaves and seeds. It kind of looks like some mold or a spore is grown in there. So definitely this thing needed to be changed years ago. Now we're gonna be putting the new one in the exact same way as the old one came out. The only thing you have to really pay attention to is this up arrow. Make sure this is facing you and then this is going the correct way. Otherwise, it's not going to be doing a very good job filtering. So let's just throw that back in. Put that little panel back on. Then when you're throwing the glove box back on, be mindful of these two little clips. They're going to be going around like a little rod. You have to make sure that those are aligned. Otherwise, it's not going to go on very good. But same process as before. Very simple. Put the little damper back on. And then that pops back into place and you're done. So I really hope that your guys' filters do not look as disgusting as this. I really don't want to touch that anymore. If you haven't checked or it's been a while, you don't know, it's really simple to just check and look and see if it's dirty. Then you can just order a new filter. I'll leave the link down in the description for the HKS one. There's also some other ones available. K&N has one that's reusable if you want to go down that route. They're going to be in the description if you want to pick one up. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at sales@ftspeed.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 64,000 miles, which 6,400 miles, my bad, when you're driving around a car. So yes, important. Basically, it's gonna help a lot with all the air that you're breathing. Very simple. You don't need any tools at all. Hey.